Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the mean, standard deviation, and tables of the binomial probability distribution. Are you ready? Let's go. The formulas to calculate the mean and standard deviation of a binomial probability distribution are simple. The formula for the mean, mu, is equal to n times p. N is the number of trials, and P is the probability of success for each trial. The formula for the standard deviation, sigma, is equal to the square root of N times P times Q. N is the number of trials. P and Q are the probability of success and failure for each trial, respectively. All right, now let's apply what we've learned to an example. A fair coin is flipped 10 times. Each flip is independent. Consider P the probability of getting ahead. Calculate the mean and standard deviation of the binomial distribution. So this is the easy part of this exercise. The mean, mu, is equal to NP, that is equal to 10 times 0.5 equals 5. It means we expect to have 5 heads in 10 trials. That makes sense. The standard deviation, sigma, is equal to the square root of NPQ. This is equal to the square root of 10 times 0.5 times 0.5 equals to 1.58. What's the probability of getting more than 2 heads? I could have asked, what's the probability of getting at least 3 heads? And that would be the same question. We can state the probability question mathematically as the probability of x is greater than 2 equals the probability of 3 plus the probability of 4 plus all these probabilities until the probability of 10. But it's easier to calculate 1 minus the probability of x is less than or equal to 2. So I have 1 minus the probability of 0 plus the probability of 1 plus the probability of 2. Now we need to look at the table. I have my probability here is 0.5. I have 10 trials, my n is 10, and I'm going to use the values of x, 0, 1, and 2. So I'm going to use these values here. Going back to the formula, 1 minus the probability of 0 is 0.001 plus the probability of 1 is 0.010 plus the probability of 2 is 0.044 equals 1 minus 0.055, and finally this is equal to 0.945 or 94.5%. All right, that's it for today, everybody. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. Don't forget to like this video and turn on the notifications. See you on the next one.